We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button so when you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Aterian stock pushing up higher, an explosive move after this dip, and it wasn't the only stock pushing up throughout the day, right? I usually talk about the SPY bot, but today the stock that caught our attention was Tesla, because our Tesla bot sent out at 8:45 a.m. a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, leading up to the bell and even after the bell, call options went up nearly 2x plus within minutes, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive that edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility in either direction by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So Aterian stock is pushing up higher. We're going to talk about some key levels in today's video you're definitely going to want to stick around for, and what the bull and bear indicators and ultimate 42 vision is showing. But before we break it down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was ACON. Caught it in the pre-market, sitting sideways, slightly pulled downwards towards the bell, and then shifted into strength on 42 vision. Got that bull indicator as an extra layer of confirmation and jumped up for a highest point of 20% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Aterian stock having an explosive move, as I stated earlier in the video, trying to break out above the highs of earlier today. That's going to be very interesting going into the aftermarket hours and also into tomorrow if that is accomplished. And we're going to talk about some key levels in today's video. But before we do, let me pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot so that you can receive that edge and clarity over the charts to maximize in the volatility in either direction. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in both directions by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with Aterian stock having that push up, and as I started the video, it was not getting close to the highs of the day, but now it just broke out above it. It's currently sitting at around 457, and it has a bull indicator here on the 30 minutes. So we got to talk about some key levels here based off the bigger picture first. So on the 4-hour, we're under a bear indicator here since 575. It's trying to find a bottom and start a reversal, right? Going from red to red with green borders. We want this to continue, and we want these bars, let me actually remove this here, to be larger than the next one so you guys can visually see this and have that continuation of a push up, and then also go from red with green borders to dark green and continue the transitions and go into bright green. And in the process, a bull indicator would possibly signify further strength, and it can cancel out this bear indicator. Doesn't guarantee anything, but it's one step forward to the bulls gaining traction again, gaining strength, and dominating over this chart, because the bears have reappeared and they're trying to put pressure. Now, in the bigger picture of things, this stock is still up from when everything started, but it has pulled back drastically here in the last several days and weeks, right? So we still want to keep in mind, yes, it pulled down, but the 30-minute just got a bull indicator, and within the volatility, we need to watch this carefully because it could pull up the 4-hour with it. And that's where things could get interesting, as I stated here, that we want to watch this carefully if those wicks and bars continue upwards and a bull indicator pops up in the process to cancel out that bear indicator. Now, if you go over to the 1-day though, you can actually see that things have continued the downtrend, right? And we were still under a bull indicator until today. If this ends up confirming, which there's 1 hour and 5 minutes left, and this bear indicator confirms here once this bar closes today, that is going to signify that that's the first bear indicator that pops up in weeks, in almost a month, and this bull indicator has been canceled out, making things in the bigger picture bearish. And the question mark is, could this continue from dark green with red borders into red bars and a continuation of weakness until it hits a dip area or extreme weakness, which would be white with red borders? Because that bear indicator is the beginning of a possible further downtrend, like it did right here and like it does every single time, right? And last time when this stock squeezed last year in September, it popped up and it lasted all the way until February. Then another one popped up in March, and here we are with this big movement. Now, a lot of people say that the squeeze is still in process, and this could all be a setup for another bull run in the bigger picture, but that's a big move from $2.40 to $7, nearly a 3x move. It's something to keep in mind and consider, because now we just got our first bear indicator here on the 1-day, as well as we have one on the 4-hour. And even though in the volatility we just got a bull indicator on the 30-minute, the most recent one was very short-lived, and quickly things are moving back and forth. When a stock starts changing bull and bear indicators this fast nearly every single day, there's too much volatility and not enough strength. And that's something to keep in mind. But let's talk about the key levels. The first thing is the support, right? The lowest point of the day, which was 406. If that gets broken through, the next one's down here at 393, and then down here at 360. Those are the key levels I'm watching. To the downside, we really want this stock to stay above $4, and specifically $4.20. I think that's a key support level of strength. And to the upside, we want to see this breakout above 486 and get back up here above 5 at 512, create a support and start pushing itself up. And then we can talk about the 580s and back up to $6, which is pretty bullish if that's accomplished, if the bulls can get back up to those levels. To receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make